All English Podcast.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to All English Podcast. Today we're going shopping. Whether you're buying clothes, food, or gadgets, this episode will teach you how to speak English naturally while shopping.
Oh no! Shopping? That's dangerous for my wallet.
Don't worry, we'll only spend words, not money.
Speak for yourself, Sarah. I'm ready to shop till I drop.
Wait, what does shop till I drop mean? Are you going to faint?
It means to shop a lot until you're very tired. It's a common idiom.
Got it. So, today's lesson. Spend all your energy and money in English.
Let's warm up with some shopping words. Mall, that's a big shopping center with many stores. Store or shop means the place where you buy things. Window shopping, that's when you look but not buy. Fitting room means the place where you try on clothes. And receipt, that's the paper you get after paying.
I love window shopping. My wallet loves it even more.
Same here.
All right, Tom and Lily enter a clothing store. Let's see how they do.
Good afternoon. Can I help you find anything?
Hi. I'm looking for a new dress for a party.
And I'm looking for the men's survival zone.
You mean the men's section, Tom?
Right, the men's section, please.
Of course. The men's section is on the left and the women's section is on the right.
Here are some key phrases you'll often hear. Can I help you find anything? I'm looking for... Do you have this in a different size? Where is the fitting room? It's on sale.
Wait, on sale? That's my favorite phrase in English.
It means the item is cheaper, Tom. Don't panic. Excuse me. Where's the fitting room?
Right over there, next to the mirrors.
Thank you. Let me try on this dress. Okay, Sarah. How do I look?
You look amazing, but maybe try a different color?
Yeah, something that hides the credit card debt.
Tom, don't say that. When you say I'm looking for a dress, you're using the present continuous to describe what you want right now. If you already found it, you can say I found a dress. And if you're asking politely, say, could I try this on? Not I want to wear this?
So could I try this on? Is polite and natural?
Exactly, very polite English.
Okay, now this is my kind of shopping. Headphones, gadgets, speakers.
Tom, focus. We're still here to learn English, not just to test every device.
Hi there. Looking for something specific?
Yes, I'm looking for noise-canceling headphones.
We have a few models on display. Do you have a budget in mind?
Budget? Uh-oh. That's my least favorite word.
Budget means how much money you plan to spend. Let's learn some more useful shopping words. Budget means how much you can afford. Model means a version or type of product. Display means something shown for customers. Warranty means the guarantee for repairs or replacement. Discount means a price reduction.
So when I ask for a discount, I'm saving money and practicing English.
Exactly. Learning and saving, best combo ever.
How can I ask politely for a discount?
Good question. Try. Is there any discount on this item? Do you offer student discounts? Can I get a better price if I pay in cash?
And if they say no?
Then smile and say, okay, I'll think about it. That's polite English for too expensive.
I love polite honesty.
Hi there. Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you. Just this pair of headphones.
Would you like to pay by card or cash?
Card, please.
Okay. Your total is $99.99.
Wow, that number hurts.
Don't say that at the counter, Tom.
Here's your receipt. Have a nice day.
Let's go over the important ones. Did you find everything okay? Was a polite question at the checkout. Would you like to pay by card or cash? means the cashier is asking how you want to pay. Your total is means how much you need to pay. Here's your receipt means the paper you get after paying.
Can I also say keep the change?
Yes, but only when you're giving cash and there is change to keep.
Wow, I'm exhausted but happy. My bags are full and my wallet is empty.
Same here, but at least my English is richer.
That's the spirit. You both learned a lot today. Vocabulary, grammar, idioms, and real conversations.
Can I use all these phrases online too?
Of course. You can say I'm looking for a jacket online, or do you have this in size medium when shopping on websites?
See? English is useful even when you're shopping from your bed.
True. Learning English never stops. And that's it for today's episode, English at the Shopping Mall. We hope you had fun, laughed a little, and learned a lot of English for real-life situations. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends.
And if you find any discounts on English lessons, let me know.
You just found one. It's free here every week.